Hi friends, so I wanted to talk about something very important, an essential macros in our diet, and that is protein. And I believe we all have choices in our life when it comes to our diet. I believe that not everybody is the same, and we each require and we each have to find our flow and what we desire. But for that, there's choices. It's 2020, thank God we have lots of choices to make healthy choices in our life. So I just want to discuss quickly about the kind of proteins we have, because some people think there's only one protein. So if you don't like soy, that's okay. If you don't like whey, that's okay. If you don't like, just gonna discuss. If you don't want sugar in your protein, that's okay. We actually have more options than we are known or we become aware of. So first I want to start with our regular Formula 1 and protein. This is our meal replacement together. This contains 21 vitamins and minerals. I'm not going to focus too much on what's in it, but basically the best part of it is that you get a meal, everything that's needed in an essential meal under 200 calories, and it tastes delicious. This is, the Formula 1 is what we have most flavors of. There's over 9 flavor. This is gluten-free. It's Heart Smart checked, which just means that it has 25 grams of soy protein a day that is needed as part of a diet low in saturated fat. But if we focus on protein, both of these, our Formula 1 and our regular protein, are made out of soy protein. So they are plant-based. Soy is a plant, as we know. So there are some people that don't want soy, and there's no problem. I'm going to get right to you. But these are plant-based proteins, okay, because they're made out of soy. In the back, if they say contain milks or something like that, it is because they're made in the same place where our 924 is made. So due to allergies and stuff, it does have to say that. But if you are concerned about milk, I'll get to you in a second. So the second protein I want to talk about is our whey protein. Whey protein is a milk protein, right? Not a plant-based protein, but it's a milk protein, and usually it's taken when people want to build muscle, and it just digests slower than another protein, and it comes from milk. So our 924, we have the Formula 1 Sport and our Rebuild. They're all made out of whey protein, which some people desire for muscle growth, and it's what they look for in a protein. So now if you don't care for muscle growth, don't want whey protein, don't want soy protein, and these we can't call vegan just because of the milk that I was speaking about before. Then we have our Formula 1 Select. We have this in Formula 1 and in protein. This is our cleanest protein. If you're somebody who really cares about the details, this would be our cleanest protein. This is non-GMO. This is gluten-free. Most of our Formula 1s are gluten-free. This is not made with any soy or dairy. This has 5 grams of fiber. This is 21 vitamins and mineral. And the only reason why it's not vegan is because it has honey powder as a sweetener for it. But if had it been made with stevia, then every other product checks. So this is made out of pea, quinoa, and rice protein. So plant-based, no dairy, no nothing else. So this would be probably if you're somebody who have a lot of allergies or care about dairy or care about those details, this would be probably what you go for. And this comes in vanilla, and we have the Formula 1 and the protein. Now it's about sugar. If you're somebody with diabetes, or if you're just concerned about sugar, we have our personalized protein powder. This has no flavor, and it's basically has 0 fat. It has only 50 milligrams of sodium. It has 0 carbs, and it's 5 grams of protein. So not the hugest amount of protein, but it has no sugar, which a lot of people care about. So this has no trans fat, no cholesterol, no sugar, like I said. So it's probably the protein that you'd go for. It's also gluten-free if you are looking to have something that's like nothing involving it, but are trying to get some protein into your body. So I just wanted to make this quick video to explain, because a lot of the time this is what we most see around, but this is not just the only thing that we have. This is a plant-based These two are plant-based, but if you're somebody who has a certain allergy and cares about a cleaner, let's say, protein, or if you're somebody who wants to build muscle and just wants whey protein or milk protein, or if you're somebody who doesn't want any sugar on their protein, we have options for you. So I hope this helps figure out a little bit more about the proteins, and I hope this helps in bringing awareness of the other options, because it is 2020 and you and I, my friends, have options.